Every night, while you sleep, your brain does something incredible. It literally washes itself. All day long, your neurons burn energy and create waste. Tiny toxins build up inside your brain, but there's no time to clean them out. Then, when you finally fall asleep, a secret network wakes up. It's called the glymphatic system, your brain's very own plumbing. During deep sleep, your brain cells shrink slightly, letting clear fluid wash through, flushing out the day's waste. That's why, when you're sleep-deprived, your thoughts feel slow and foggy. But after a good night's sleep, your mind feels clear and sharp again. When this cleaning system doesn't get to work, harmful proteins start to build up. Scientists even link this to memory loss and diseases like Alzheimer's. So next time you go to bed, remember, sleep isn't just rest. It's your brain's nightly maintenance shift. Let it clean. Let it heal.